Your
This is
Honor. That's why.
unreal. This is unreal. So you can stop talking, ma'am. Just stop talking because I know basically you're going to give me a whole lot of excuses, but with these types of cases and the number, there are so many bench warrants for you for not attending.
Welcome to Rebel Chaser. My name is Gail, and I have a clip from Judge Terry Clark at the 70th District Court in Michigan. It's a really quick clip, but he's got a woman in his courtroom who has at least 17 failures to appear. In the first case he talks about, she's got 6 FTAs. And when he says she's got 6 FTAs, she gets this really weird smirky smile on her face. I just thought it was kind of weird. But in the end, she ends up in tears. So I'll let you guys watch.
Court take up the matter of people versus last name Christian, first name Samantha. Anyone with that first or last name in our virtual courtroom with that person, please state their full name.
Unmute.
Samantha Joe Christian.
And we have multiple bench warrants. Counsel will start with this one first. File number 2017-1420. The bench warrant indicates that she failed to appear for a pretrial hearing on December 11th at 9:30 in front of Judge Hoffman. And this is the 6th failure to appear warrant we've done for her. Why did she not show up to court, counsel?
There are a number of things that are jotted down here, but 6 FTAs is very excessive, Your Honor.
Your Honor, my son was in the hospital. I just delivered a baby on October 3rd, and he caught COVID and RSV in the hospital. And we were in there for a whole month. And ever since then, he's been in and out of the hospital. I'm outside of the hospital right now in the car.
Okay.
Because he's having
Miss Christensen, I'm really sorry about your child. I am. But ma'am, these cases, you have so many failure to appears. I'm sorry about your child, but
I know, Your Honor.
Unreal. This is unreal. So you can stop talking, ma'am. Just stop talking because I know basically you're going to give me a whole lot of excuses, but with these types of cases and the number, there are so many bench warrants for you for not attending. And I don't even know what your excuses are for not attending in 2021 and 19, 18, 17. That's how far back it goes. In 2020, early 2023, early 20, early 16, early 13. We have so many failure to appears. So you have a history of not showing up in court.
I know. I apologize, Your Honor. I'm trying to. That's why I came in December, because I'm a stay out. There's no reason I should have these hanging over my head. And that's why I'm on top of it right now. And I'm trying to get it done and over with just so I don't have these. There's no reason for me to be missing these court dates. And that's why I'm trying to get all of this stuff taken care of because I have 7 kids. There's no reason I'm a stay-at-home mom. There's no reason I should be missing court like this and have to risk going to jail and losing my kids because I won't show up to court. So now I have...
Well, ma'am, like I said, you can stop talking because your history just shows something differently. So just stop talking. We also have counsel. We have on file number 2017-1420, as indicated, there are so many failure to appears on this file, we run out of space. Then we have another file where she has 3 counts of truancy, dealing with truancy, where she didn't show up in October 27th of 23. Multiple bench warrants on that file. And then we have file number 3543968, another bench warrant where she didn't show up on December 5th. Multiple bench warrants issued on that file. We have file number 0811685C, multiple bench warrants. She came in, we recalled bench warrants, more bench warrants. These are from early December 2020, bench warrant, that's in Judge Fichtner. Some are in various courts here. We have file number 7325499, another bench warrant for a failure to appear for a pretrial in December. We have file number 2020401, another bench warrant, failure to appear in front of Judge Fichtner in December. We have file number 0812710, another bench warrant for a failure to appear, and this is back in November. This is November. Like I said, it just goes on and on. And Mr. White, anything you want me to know, because she's lost multiple bond monies. It's just, it doesn't make sense.
Yeah, it's bewildering. Ma'am, he asked me to talk.
I'm sorry.
Okay. I do know, we note that she does have 7 children. That's a very busy life. And she has a lot of cases that she needs to keep track of. She doesn't keep track of any of them right now. But perhaps from this point forward, she'd be able to get her life in order and get these things taken care of. Because she is going to end up in jail if she doesn't show up. I mean, she's going to end up in jail. So, Your Honor, I just, it's, she is a busy lady, there's no question, but there's a lot of failures to appear. We'd ask the court's mercy on this one and see if the court would extend to Miss Christian yet one more opportunity on each of these files.
And Counselor, on file number 2017, it looks like she still owes contempt money from December 3 of 2018, which, I mean, it's bad. On file number 2017-1420, on this bench warrant, where she failed to appear 6 times straight, court's going to assess bench warrant costs amount of $50 or 30 days jail. Time, we're closed tomorrow for the holiday. This has to be paid on or before January 2 of 24. We will refer this back to Judge Hoffman, set a $10,000 personal recognizance bond. On that file, we have file number 23-2967, the 3 counts of truancy, and the date of the offenses on those. From, looks like this is from this past school year, September through April, this past school year, a number of children listed on that. Bench warrant, dismissed, referred back. Of course, going to set a $5,000 personal recognizance bond, and it will be referred back. On file number 3543965, bench warrant dismiss, refer back, set a $5,000 personal recognizance bond. On ticket number 2020401, on the bench warrant dismiss, referred back to Judge Fichtner, set a $5,000 personal recognizance bond. Ticket number 7325499. Bench warrant dismiss, referred back to Judge Fichtner, set a $5,000 personal recognizance bond on that one. And ticket number 0812710C. Bench warrant dismissed, referred back, set a $5,000 personal recognizance bond. And on file number 0811685, bench warrant dismissed, referred back to Judge Fichtner, set a $5,000 personal recognizance bond, and counsel that'll take care of these cases.
Yes, sir.
So I counted all the cases and I figured, where she's got multiple FTAs was more than two. I figured that would have been a couple. So I counted them up, and that equals at least 17 FTAs, possibly 22 or more. And I have a feeling that in the past, when they pulled back warrants, she used the same line: I'm going to get on top of it. I swear I'm on top of it now. Well, she says she's on top of it now, but she just missed court in December. This is still December. So I I don't have much hope in her, but I'll keep watching to see if I see her come up again. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.